Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Grandpa's tech review of the OtterBox Defender. Many of you have had different type of cases on your phone, and I absolutely make sure that you should have one on your particular phone, because it's too easy to drop it, it's too easy to slip, and it's too easy to break it. And with the cost, averaging $200 for a screen, you want to protect it. And of course, one of the things that you could do, of course, is to add a screen protector. Check out my review of the Smart Devil screen protector. But OtterBox, I've been using on my phones now for several years. And the reason why is it just does a great job of protecting. I can't even tell you how many times I've dropped my phone. I've even dropped my phone off a ladder, and it landed and it didn't break. Again, one of the reasons I like OtterBox so much is because of the double protection. And this one happens to come the OtterBox Defender with a waist snap-on connector. This one over here will easily snap on to my belt so that I know that I've got it secure with me. Whereas I don't like putting my phone particularly in my pocket, because I could sit down on it or it could slip out. Where this one, I know it's basically secure. But looking at it, basically, you can see that it has an outer cover that's soft and absorbs the shock. Let me get this off. The OtterBox is a three-part system. First, you have your inner case, which is going to give you a protection around the actual phone. So after you've made sure your phone is clean, you're just going to basically drop it into the outer frame. Once you've done that, you have another frame that protects it again. This is again which hardens the case up. You know, a lot of the phones now today are being made out of glass, and that really makes it challenging, because any slight bang or twist or turn can take out the phone. And as you can see, now it's got an extra sturdiness of case. Now on top of that, you have a silicone-based outer coating. Your phone just pops inside of that, and now you have 3 layers of protection. Inside, on the hard case, there's a small pad inside for shock. On top of that, you have the outer frame that protects it. And I'm just working my way around, you can see. What's nice about this is it really grabs your phone and gives it a snug fit on top of that. Anything that is easy to put on can easily come off. And when you drop something, you don't want that. Of course, I have all my button controls on my phone. I can easily get into it. Your volume controls are right here, and the holes are perfectly cut out. And what I like about the Defender series is that, of course, I can put it on my waistband. It locks in place, and it has a superb warranty. All you need to do is register it, make sure the company knows you have it, and if something does happen to it, you just have to pay for shipping for a replacement. Anyway, this is your Grandpa. Check out my other product reviews, my other tests on KC Grandpa Tech. You have a great day, and check out my other videos.